Was it a jobs beat or just another BS number? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, June the 3rd. Yesterday I said May the 2nd. Today it's June the 3rd. We jumped ahead 31 days. No, just kidding. In the meantime, the markets are getting waxed a little bit. Not amazingly. We had a jobs number which beats, but you know they're going to revise these numbers. These jobs numbers are garbage. They don't count any of the right statistics that go into jobs. They should be using the U6 instead of the U3, which is what they use, but they mean nothing. And you can see by the action today, it was extremely quiet and slow, although we made money for the 58th out of 65 months today. So again, we continue to trade it well, but there's just not much going on, and the markets are down across the board. We're long across the board now, as we've seen some changes in the trend. Personally, I don't really like it, but again, I'm not going to fight the model or the system. So we'll continue to be long, but again, the Dow's down 100, the NASDAQ is down 200, the S&P is down 40, and the Russell's down 100. So whatever. Crude oil is flying higher once again. We're up about 118. We're still long, and again, that's going probably to Pluto soon. I expect to see 150, if not 200 in crude oil with this ridiculous Biden policy and energy. It just doesn't make sense when they could fix inflation all at one time. But, again, when you want to destroy America instead of help it, that's the way you handle things. In the meantime, gold is lower, not a surprise after yesterday's rally. Silver is lower. Again, these key numbers that are about down below in support are probably still in play. I don't see, we're still short, and I don't see any time changing. The bonds have been, relatively wild, about a 2-point range today, which is still a pretty good move. They're down a little bit. We're still long, and same with notes. We're still long notes, as well. And the dollar is higher, and we are short. Bitcoin is lower. We are still short. The copper we reversed today, and fortunately we bought into the sell-off, so that's good, but we're now long copper. Natural gas is a little bit lower, 845, but yes, remember yesterday it was a little lower, and then by the end of the day it was up higher once again. So we'll see what they look like from here. Grains are lower again. I mean, corn's flat, but it's been hammered the last couple of days. Beans and wheat are lower. We're still short corn, short wheat, and long beans. In the protein complex, we had a pretty good week. We are actually reversed cattle this morning to long. Feeders are slightly higher, we're still short, and hogs are slightly higher, and we're still long those as well. And the softs, cotton is higher, we're short. Sugar is flat, we're long. OJ is higher, and we are long. Coffee is lower today, and we are long. And cocoa is flat, and we are still short. Look, it's quiet. There's more to this story. As I said yesterday, there's something going to happen somewhere that's going to make these action in these markets really start to move. Where, we don't know. I mean, nobody knows that. But we know that you can see by the price action that the markets are getting much more on edge each and every day that they trade. And as I've said in the past, I think this is a retail rally, and the commercials are trying to lift them and hold them before they crack them. Because if the commercials sell too soon, they could create a panic. In the meantime, look, again, be careful. I mean, trading is a skill and an art, and it takes a lot of skill to say no and relax. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors, scrolling on the bottom on the side, Capital Trading Group, and of course, Trader Brokerage, who's going to soon have cryptocurrencies. And if you want to help us support our high school program, please do it, Patreon. But you can see those links scrolling along the side. In the meantime, have a great day. Just relax. Again, don't be aggressive. You're going to get penalized for being aggressive in a market that doesn't want aggression. And we'll see you Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you later.